Hi guys, is your Android phone constantly buzzing with calls, text and notification? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to silence your Android phone with a few taps. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your phone. After opening settings page, scroll down a little, find the sound and vibration option, tap to open it. Within the menu, look for the top menu bar. Here you can basically see three options: sound, vibrate and mute. Check what set up your phone. For example, my phone is default set to sound mode. I am silent in my phone, so this time I am choose the mute option and automatically mute them all of notification, text notification, calls, everything. And that's it. If this video help you, please consider to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend, also like it. Bye, take care.